Hey, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to our happy place. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe. Today's a beautiful video that we would like to share, and it is a celebration of our baby boy's third birthday. This was done for his first birthday, Noah Aiden Austin. He was born on the 10th of July 2018. Along came this miracle, and no day was ever ordinary again. This was his first birthday celebration. As you can see, we had a Noah's Ark theme. For the second birthday, it was a home quarantine birthday, so we had a too cool themed birthday. All the decors that you see here are handcrafted and handmade. So now, moving on to the third birthday, we finally fixed on a digger theme because he loves these construction toys. It made it very easy for us as he loves all these construction toys and has almost all of them. So moving on to this, we picked up this 250-meter roll of caution tape from a local store nearby, and this was done for his backdrop. This was also all handmade and handcrafted as it was also a home quarantine birthday. So all these fans over here are all handmade, and we had all these little things that were stuck which was all related to the theme. He had absolutely no idea as to what we were doing. So while he was asleep, we decided to set the entire place up and have all his decors arranged and put up so that when he wakes up it would be sure a surprise for him. So moving on to this, these were the little party favors that we got for the kids, and it went so well with the theme. So we also picked up these little boxes that were so cute, and we got it custom made as well. Everything was done by us. So we had these little stickers that were put on these boxes, and we filled them up with a little bit of knickknacks. These were the little thank you cards that we had made that were tied up onto the party favors for the kids. These were party favors that were given for the adults. We just gave one per family, and it says the road to success is always under construction. These were the cute little things that really topped off the show, and yeah, it says thank you for coming, hope you had loads of fun. We just so loved doing this. We made this card and we just filled it up with cookies and had them placed on the cake table. So we made these little thematic juice bottles for all our guests. Just made these small tags which says sip up, it's fueling time, and had them tied onto the bottle. So now we just started doing the door decor. This was the inside of the door, and also the outside of the door was stuck, which was the welcome board. So as you all know, recently we just did this half painted wall. So we just removed one part of the shelf and we left the other part for these decors. So I removed the existing decors and had all these little construction vehicles over here. That's the dump truck, the digger, the excavator. So down below on the ladder, we had this beautiful signboard and the caution strip stuck. So over here on this shelf with all the toys, we just placed this little board which says build your dreams and just gave it a completed look. Just put up all the other decor that was needed for all the other parts of the house. So this was the overall view for our backdrop, and over here we've removed that one shelf where we fixed the backdrop. Just made these small little photo props. So just taking you through all the decors that we have done all over the house. Placed every single thing in the form of buntings. So we just set this up as our cake table and had the caution tape just wound over the cake table. So yes, what's a birthday without having balloons? And yeah, all these beautiful balloons were being blown. We had a lot of helium balloons and also the spread balloons for the floor. So coming now to the most favorite part, we got these 3 t-shirts that were custom made. So it says I am 3 and digging it, and for Jared and myself it said birthday crew. We were so in love with this and everything just fell in place. So we just started getting the cake table ready, and these were small little chocolate muffins that we got done, the fueling station bowl, all the little details were being set up. Everything placed in according to the theme. We just popped in these beautiful cake toppers, and we just couldn't wait to get our hands on this beautiful cake to start decorating it and have it set up according to the theme. In a while you will see how beautiful this cake turned out. So yes guys, that's it for now. I hope all of you would have loved the celebration and all these little decors that we have done. So if you're watching our channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing. Do like, comment and share like you've always done. Do give this video a big thumbs up. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.